We're enjoying the Litz Views delicacies from Las Navas, Northern Samar. Cell number 0905-550-2252. Nakarating na sa USA itong the Litz Views delicacies. Masarap kainin
Habang traffic.
habang nag-drive. Habang traffic, na-enjoy natin. Oh, hindi kami nagugutom. Thank you. Wala bang mga sample dyan? The Litz Views delicacies. Please like and subscribe mga kaibigan. Share the good news. Meron pa kayo dyan? Pakita mo po. Ayan, mga galing sa Las Navas. Thank you sa nagtitinda. Magkano ito doon?
Gawa.
12 pesos. Yeah, thank you sa gumawa. Pero hindi pa namin natatanggap yung libreng patikim. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Ayan, ubusin na namin. Ayan, nakikita nyo mga kaibigan. We're here in that's the map. There's a plane. It's not a bird. And this is we're going to Maryland, passing through George Washington Memorial. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe.